Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don yarn say e administration success in developing the state na sake of the maintenance of law and order with the help of security agencies. Oga Obaseki yarned this one for one meeting with Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Hassan Bala Abubakar and other top security ogas dem. E con tok say the ogbonge improvement for Edo State over the past 7 years na sake of the peaceful collabo between various security agencies and contrary salute to the security forces for their contribution and the seamless collabo between federal and state security agencies. The governor took mouth on the importance of law and order for development and con salute all the security agencies for their commitment to making Edo State one of the safest states for Niger. And also took mouth on the challenge of courtism and said the Edo State House of Assembly don't pass law wey go stop the operations of courtists for the state. A constant talk say,
as a brigade commander, I will inform you we've been having running battles with bandits and terrorists in the last few months. We have people who using the Ovia River, bringing arms and are engaged in all sorts of nefarious activities, from illegal logging into imposing, taxes on local communities and illegal occupation of our forests. We will need quite a bit more surveillance on that axis. We'll be letting the AVM know and the specifics to whatever surveillance support that we can get to support the activities of the brigade and the DSS. We really appreciate. And that another reason why we want to impose calm in that axis is because we want to commence the development of the Benin River Port. And it's going to be important for us to ensure and guarantee the security of our partners who are going to be working on that project. I want to thank you for the calm at the airport to help us cover that flank, to ensure that you have some security presence in that flank of the city. And it's even more relevant today than ever before. So we'd like to encourage the Air Force to see how you can bring some units, operational units, to that location so that there's some activity in there instead of the land being left fallow. And whatever you decide, particularly if the facility has to do with providing social services, health, education, as a government, a pledge that we will support.
Chief of Air Staff Air Marshal Abubakar con commend Governor Obaseki for the development for the state and con give accolades to Obaseki's dedication to good governance and infrastructural development. He come also to salute to Edo State government and the people for their cooperation and support for the Air Force.
Benin is today host to one of the most important operational units in the Air Force, and that is the 107 Air Maritime Group. The group is primarily tasked with the responsibility of maritime air surveillance of Nigeria's maritime domain in concert with Nigerian Navy, Joint Task Forces, and other maritime security agencies. The 107 Air Maritime Group serves as a formidable deterrent against sea-based threats, providing aerial surveillance and security for our nation's vast coastline and rich marine resources. Its strategic location in Benin enables rapid response to the Gulf of Guinea to provide security for offshore oil platforms, sea lines of communications, and fishing activities. These efforts also foster regional cooperation and strengthen our nation's position as a leader in maritime security in the West African sub-region. Your Excellency, I want to thank the Edo State government under your pragmatic leadership for providing timely logistic support to Nigerian Air Force and other security agencies deployed for internal security operations in the state. I wish to also express my gratitude for the efforts of the state government in securing certificates of occupancy for Nigerian Air Force lands in Benin, especially the land at Kilometer 9, Upper Siluko Road. This has helped to reduce the number of cases filed by various individuals who have been claiming ownership of parts of these lands in Benin. Your Excellency, I wanted to request your intervention as to how we are going to secure this land going forward from encroachment by the local population. But based on my discussion with you this morning, I think we have found a very practical solution. And that is to say, we are going to try to establish a Nigerian Air Force unit or facility in that location. That way, we will not only contribute to the peace and security as well as economic development of that axis of the state, but we'll also be able to secure our land for future strategic utilization by the Nigerian Air Force.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisoli, TMC TV News.